Today we're going to be programming a new master key on a Lexus GS300. As you can see, I bought this new master key off eBay for about 30 bucks. It comes with the remote as well as the ignition chip inside to start the car. I've taken this key to the dealership and I got it cut to this car for about $20. As you can see, the security light is blinking, and if I insert this unprogrammed key into the ignition, the security light does not go off. If I try to start the car, the key will turn, but it won't crank the car and start it. So to program this new key, we will just need the master key. We don't need any TechStream software. As you can see, my key is pretty busted. That's why I'm replacing it. You'll also need to pay attention to the security light over here. To begin programming, we're going to insert the original master key into the ignition. Then we're going to press the gas pedal 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to press the brake pedal 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to remove the key from the ignition and insert the new key into the ignition and press the gas pedal once. As you can see, the security light is now blinking and will blink for 60 seconds until this key is programmed. As you can see, the security light has stopped blinking, which means this key is now programmed. We're now going to try and start the vehicle with the new programmed key. As you can see, the vehicle now starts up, and this key is programmed. Next, we're going to need to program the remote. As you can see, when I press the lock and unlock button, it does not lock or unlock the car. To program this remote, we're going to first start with all the doors closed, then open the driver's door. Then we're going to insert the key into the ignition and remove it. Then we're going to go over here to the power door locks and cycle them 5 times. Lock, unlock, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to close the driver's door and then open the driver's door and cycle the locks again 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position, and then turn it back off. As you can see, the door locks now cycle, indicating that the car is in programming mode. Then we're going to come over here to the remote and hold the lock and unlock buttons for 1.5 seconds, release, and then hold the lock button and release it. As you can see, the door lock cycle indicating that the car has accepted this remote. To exit programming mode, you can close the driver's door. Finally, to test that the remote works, we're going to press the lock button and the unlock button. We're also going to double check that the trunk lock works by pressing and holding the trunk release button.